Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your My account is active and signed into the My Home app. Once done, make sure the camera is on the same too. 4 GHz network and running the latest firmware. This prevents upload failures. Next, open the camera settings and select the cloud storage option. Choose a plan or activate the free trial now. You're beginning the only supported flow, so proceed when the app shows the camera online and ready to bind to cloud services. You now enable cloud storage and choose recording mode. Continuous for constant backup or event recording to save space and focus on motion. Once selected, configure motion zones and sensitivity so you only store meaningful clips. This reduces upload volume and cost. Then set retention days in line with your My Cloud quota and verify upload schedule and power permissions so the camera uploads reliably. Make sure notifications you finish by verifying clips appear in the My Home Cloud section and playing a recent recording to confirm quality and timestamp accuracy. Once confirmed, periodically spot check the archive and adjust sensitivity or retention as needed to balance storage use. If uploads stop, first restart the camera and router, then reauthorize your My account in the app and rebind the device. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, collect the device ID and contact My Cloud support for account-side troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.